how to remove echo from audio in Premiere Pro. Now, this test audio has a lot of echo in it.
3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
To remove echo in Premiere Pro, press Shift-7 to open Effects tab. Now here in the search, start typing dereverb, and it's going to show up here under Audio Effects, Noise Reduction, and Restoration. Now what you want to do is drag and drop this dereverb effect directly onto the audio clip from which you want to remove the echo. Now press Shift-5 to make sure that we have Effects controls open. Now make sure you click on the audio clip, and here you should see an option with the button Edit. Click on the Edit button, and in this window over here, you're going to see a slider going from 0 to 100%. Now slide the slider all the way to 100%, and this will automatically remove the echo from your audio clip. Now, as you can see, if I play this audio again, it's the same countdown clip, but there is no echo. The echo has been removed from this audio clip.